Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me this morning with our Curiosity Corner live episode all about electricity and motors. I wanted to give a shout out to Dylan because he pointed out that we use electricity in our bodies, which is true. Your brain uses electricity to communicate with your muscles to tell them what to do, and your heart has its own electrical signal that keeps it beating. So we use electricity in our bodies, and we use electricity in things like electrical outlets. But here's the thing about electrical outlets. You may have noticed that it has two prongs, two slots for those plugs to go into. The reason for that is the electrical outlets use something called alternating current, and the electricity is going back and forth really fast, and it needs that circuit still, and so it has those two prongs to make sure that the current can go back and forth as needed to go into devices. And then, of course, there's static electricity. You rub a balloon on a piece of wool or something like that, and you can do some cool things with static electricity. But that's all I have about electricity today. Be sure to come back tomorrow. We'll be talking about pressure, air pressure, and definitely come back on Friday at 10:30. We have a very special guest who will be part of Curiosity Corner Live. You don't want to miss it. It'll be out of this world. So, thanks for joining us. Stay curious.